My humble pranams to Guruji and thanks to the Ramakrishna Mission Vishakhapatnam for conducting online yoga classes. In my view, yoga as practiced by our ancient rishis is an advanced and sophisticated science which with regular sadhana leads the individual or the self to know the ultimate reality or the truth of the existence or the cycle of birth and death and how to go beyond the cycle of the birth and death. There are many types of yogas like Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Raja Yoga, Mantra, and Laya Yogas. As defined by Patanjali Maharshi in the Patanjali Sutras, Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha, which means cessation of mental modifications is yoga, is nothing but going beyond raga, dvesha, kama, krodha, mada, mohas. And also as stated in Bhagavad Gita, Samatvam Yoga Muchyate, meaning balanced state of body, mind, and spirit is yoga. And to achieve this, Ashtanga Yoga is designed a step by step process of Ashtanga Yoga, Yama, Niyamas, Asanas, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyanam, and Samadhi. So, with the regular practice of Yama Niyamas, that is following 10 commandments Satya, Ahimsa, Steya, Pragraha, Brahmacharya, Saucha, Santosha, Tapa, Swacha, Ishwar Pranidhan, and then practicing asanas. When practicing asanas, they bring a lot of flexibility, lot of strength, and good health to the physical body. And the body and mind are both interconnected. It also leads to the peacefulness, calmness, and tranquility of the mind. And the fourth limb of pranayama is to increase the life force, the regular practice. Pranayama, ayama means to lengthen, and pranic force, the life force, is increased, which leads tension free, stress free, and also balances the hormones. And transcending towards dharana, dhyanam, and samadhi through pratyahara. Dharana, Dhyanam, and Samadhi leads the brainwave patterns to subtler levels from beta to alpha, delta, and theta, thereby harmonizing different hormones that is dopamine, serotonin, oxytocins, endorphins, DHEA, cortisol levels, which makes the hormonal system the optimum balanced levels. So, no doubt, physical mental health is a byproduct with the regular practice of yoga sadhana. We can also achieve higher levels of awareness and consciousness of going to the Turiya Varsa, transcending the body and mind with the consistent sadhana or practices, which in turn leads to a state of samadhi for the ultimate truth. Thank you. Namaste.